So for the first task, we need to display a selected image on the graphical LCD on the Nuvoton board. So we can look at the code here. So at first we need to use paint to draw the bitmap. So for this is a Batman logo. Then we use the BMP2ASM to convert this bitmap into a hex, which is included in this function. So we cut it and paste it in this function. So at first we actually initialize the LCD, then we clear the LCD, then we draw LCD, the Batman logo. So then the display, then the delay.
So for task A, we need to display a selected image on the graphical LCD screen on a Nuvoton board. So it can be any image. So in this case, we've chosen the Batman logo as the image. So if you refresh this, so there you have the image.
So moving on to the second task, we need to use the 3x3 keypad on the Nuvoton board in order to move the crosshair that is displayed on the LCD. So at first we need to draw the image on the LCD, then we need to use the 3x3 keypad to move the crosshair across the LCD. So from left to right, up to down, or even diagonally. So we look at this code. So at first, same as the first task, we need to convert the bitmap image into the hex and we copy it and save it in the function, which is the target image. So basically the target image is the one, the crosshair image. So then we initialize the x position and also y position. So the x axis and also the y axis on the LCD. Then we initialize the number to be 0. Then for this speed at underscore at equals to 6 means that it will move every time it will move 6 bit, and if it's a sub, then it will be a -6, which this one which is showing that how large of a gap does the target actually move. So it's in terms of bits. So at first we initialize the LCD, then we clear the LCD, then we open the keypad because we need to use the keypad to control the crosshair logo. So we're going to initialize where is our image going to be located at first. So it will be it's going to be located at 100, and for y this is 20. So we're going to print 9 on LCD screen before we start. So it's a let demo 4. So when we press 5 to begin and 1 to 9 is to move. So we draw the image. So it's on the x-axis and y-axis, and also the figure color, background color, and also the crosshair image. So one, so we draw the object which is including the figure color and also the background color. So there's a small delay before we erase it. So we're going to erase the object instead. So every time it will repeat. So for the scan key, so the scan key is going to be saved into a variable number. So the number going to decide where is the location of the gray crosshair going to be moving. So let's have a look. If 5, then it will clear the LCD and the logo will be back to the initial location. So then for case 1, so case 1 is moving diagonally. So which means that x we need to plus with speed underscore sub, or y is plus with the speed underscore sub. So if number 2, number 4, number 6, and number 8, you can see that it's moving up, down, left, or right. So let's take an example. If it's 2 means moving up only. So when moving up only, so the x-axis we add 0. So y we plus, we have an addition with the speed underscore sub. So for, let's say it's a diagonal one, let's say it's a 3, so we move towards our right, upper right. So we need to add for both x and y axis, we need to add up with the speed add and speed sub. So after that, for this one, if f less than 0 means when your image move towards the left of the left end of the LCD, then it will reset back to the right side. It will move back to the right side. So when it's on the right side, then it will move back to the left side. So for same goes to y axis. So this one is how the whole working principle of using a 3x3 keypad to control a crosshair item.
So this is the demo for task 3B. So we need to use the 3x3 keypad on the Nuvoton board to move the crosshair here. So the first part is we need to draw the image of the crosshair on the LCD screen, which we did here. And now for part B, we need to use the 3x3 keypad to move the crosshair. So if we press this one, it goes up, goes down, goes right, goes left, and this one is just moving diagonally. So let's begin. Right, left, up, down, diagonally,